What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio website on Squarespace. Squarespace is a great platform that can help you build great looking website with ease because it has many powerful tools that are easy to use even if you are a beginner. And creating a portfolio website is very important if you are like a designer or you have you want to show samples of your work to your clients, because it allows you to easily showcase your work to your clients. So let's get right to it. First of all, we need to go to Squarespace website, that's squarespace.com, and it will land you on their homepage right here, the Squarespace homepage. And from there, we want to click on Get Started right here or right here. So click on Get Started. And here you will get like a question to choose the category of your website, or type it in here or skip it. So we will skip this step right here. What are your top goals? You can choose a goal right here or you can skip it. So these questions are so that Squarespace can further like customize your experience. However, we do not want to do it right now. How would you like to get started? Choose a professionally designed website template or choose a custom template with a Squarespace blueprint, build a template. So we will start with a template because it's easier to start with a pre-made template and edit it. So we will choose this option and then click on finish. Okay, and then we will click on, we will scroll down here. We'll find many templates that are fully editable, and we can filter them here, or here we can filter them. Or if you scroll up here, we can find like the categories of templates right here. So let's see here. We have portfolio. So we are building a portfolio website. So we will choose the portfolio templates. And now it'll display only the portfolio websites templates. They give you like the best 6 templates. And then if you continue scrolling down, they will continue to show up. So they will give you many templates for portfolio. So we can choose whichever one we like, and we see that it can be a good choice for our business or our portfolio, our work. Okay, so let's say I like this one, okay, the Mercury one, and you can preview it. So if I click on preview it, it will display like a sample of this template. Okay, so waiting for it to load up. Okay, here it is. Now we can scroll down on the page itself and we can click on the buttons here, and we can also view how it'll look like on a tablet and on a mobile phone. So that is pretty good. Now, if we decide that we want to use this template, we can start with it right away, or we can view the demo site. It'll open up as a website, or we can go back to choose another one. So let's say this one, I like this one. We can preview it, or we can start with it right away. So I'll click on start with it right now. And here it'll tell you to create your account before opening the website or the template in the editor. So you can continue with Google or with email, or you have more options right here. I'll continue to sign up with email. So I'll go ahead and enter my email and password and get back to you. And now it'll open your website in the editor. So first it'll ask for your website title. So let's say my portfolio. Okay, click next. And then, okay, to add edit. So it gives you like a quick and simple tutorial on how to quickly edit your website. Okay, click next, add remove pages, next, and then get started. So here is my website here, or the template that I chose here, my portfolio, the name that I chose for the website, or that is displayed here. Now here, let's click on edit here to start editing. And it'll open the template here, and we can edit each and every element, or we can add blocks. So let's check out the blocks that we can add here. So you can add a text, button, image, video, audio, and many other types of blocks here, as well as products, digital products if you are selling on your website or you are doing a website or online shop. And you can also add integrations with like social media and other websites, such as Instagram, Zola, Flickr, and so much more. So, okay, we will not add any elements for now. However, we will edit the ones that we have. So here we can edit the site header. So let's click on edit. We can select a logo here to add. Can upload an image to add it as a logo. Upload or select from library. So let's select from library here. Okay, there are no files uploaded. However, the files that you uploaded will show up here. So let's go back for now and add a logo, upload file. And for example, let's upload this image just to show you. Okay, it's uploaded, and once it's uploaded, it will show up in our header. Okay, here it is. We can edit the height to make it larger or smaller, and we can edit the mobile site height as well to make it smaller or bigger, and we can see the settings here. So we can edit the header on the mobile website here. As you can see, we can control the size. So let's go back to the desktop view or the desktop website, and we can continue editing the header. So the elements here, we have the buttons. Can add a button to donate, and we can edit it. So we can make it like for contacting us. So contact us. Okay, and we can redirect it to another page as well, or it can open in a new window. So delete for now. Can add social links. So for like Instagram or for a website, and we can add extra from here. We can add edit the social links icons and so on. So let's go back, and we can choose a style. So let's like scroll and choose from them. Okay, let's say I like this one, the black and white, and let's go back. So here I'm done with the like header. So we can add sections right here. We can add some pre-made or like ready sections. So let's add this one, the photo, and you can also view their categories. So here, services, products, and so on. So quotes. So let's add a quote right here. This sounds good. Okay, and we can like control what is written right here. So let's edit the content. Okay, content right here. We have 4 quotes, and it scrolls and changes between them. So we can edit each and every one, or we can duplicate it. We can like move it down. We can remove it. We can edit the content or the design. Okay, let's the alignment here, as you can see. We can make it infinitely scroll, and we can edit the style as well. Okay, navigation buttons, navigation offset, the arrows. Okay, at the bottom, the text size, we can make it small, medium. Let's say medium is good. Now, as you see here, we can edit each quote. So here we can edit them. So let's say a different test quote, and as you can see, it changes in real time. So let's go back and let's put it for now. So let's edit the photos. We can click on the image to edit it. Can select an image, or we can add a link here. So we can delete the link, or we can add a link. When you click on an image, it'll redirect you to a certain website, and we can edit the image. We can delete it. We can view the design. So the image would fit the element border here, to fill it, or like make the shape like a circle, a triangle, and so on. So let's make it this one right now, this shape. Okay, actually, let's use this one. Go back, and we can stretch it to fill in all of the area here of the element. So it looks good as of now. Now, we can edit, as you can see here, we can edit any of the elements here. We can edit also the footer. And here we have the newsletter. We have the option to add the section. So we can edit here this text to subscribe. We can edit this one as well. So let's edit the text here. Click on it and we can highlight it. We can choose here the type, like headings that controls the text size, and we can make it bold, italic. We can change the color. So let's make it like a blue color, or we can choose a custom color here from the color palette. And we can also add a link to the text. We can add like a bullet list and so on, or we can also delete it if we want to. So let's make it, okay, let's edit the text. Let's make it italic. Okay, looking good. And we can also click on the newsletter here to edit the different elements. So let's click on edit. We can edit the description. We can add a description, disclaimer, the button text that says sign up. Let's click me. Okay, looking good. So as you can see here, we can control like any of the elements here. And once you are ready to publish your website, or you are done with your edits, we can click here to save. That will save your website. We can also preview how it will look like on a mobile phone. Okay, looking good. And go back to the like desktop view. Here we can view like settings and the website. Let's click on website right here. We can have the pages. We can view the pages. We can add a page here. So we can add a blank page, a page layout, a blog, a portfolio. So we can add a portfolio page right here, and we can select the layout or the design of the page here. So let's close it for now. Or we can also delete pages. We have shop, services, gallery, and contact. So we have 4 pages. We can edit the settings for each page. So if we go to contact, it'll display the page right here. We can click on edit to start editing it as we did with the other page. And we can view the setting, or we can delete it. And we can also change the order. So let's make contact here after shop. So we change the order of the buttons right here. So as you can see here, it's pretty easy to edit your edit the template to create your website on Squarespace. And here you can click on preview, click on this arrow to preview how your website will look like. And you can scroll down, you can click on all the buttons, view all the pages, and so on. And click this arrow to go back to the editor. So here, once you're finished, you can go to home. So this is how easy it is to create a portfolio website on Squarespace.